Good morning, everyone. How are you? So today is another day of me doing things to make myself look and feel a little bit better. So today I am going to go get microblading and the ombre effect. I'm excited for this, so I decided to blog this journey. As you guys know, I've been blogging a lot of stuff that I'm doing from my teeth to my body contour. So today is another day of me doing something. So I'm going to vlog this experience. This is my second time. The first time I had it, it was horrible. I'm not even gonna lie, it was horrible. I still got a little, you see that? Still a little mark that they gotta repair, but hopefully Ann gets me together. So I'm super excited. My homegirl, Sherelle, she went and got hers done at the shop, so I'm pretty confident. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm about to get microblading. And I gotta get my lashes done too, because my lashes gotta be on point to match my eyebrows. So y'all might get a vlog about that as well. So stay tuned for more. You starting?
Chắc là lúc rồi.
So my eyebrows are done. They look really, really good. So now it's time for me to get a fill in real quick. All right. So I am finally done. I got my eyebrows done. Can you guys see? So let me be 100. That shit low key hurt. Like it hurt. Like, yeah, it hurt. Like getting a tattoo, but a little bit worse hurt. Because right here, it hurted. Like this didn't hurt, but right here, baby, that hurted. So the girl who did my eyebrows before really mucked me up. So they tried to repair it a little bit. So I got a little bit of ombre it's gonna heal, and we're gonna see how it works out. But I really wanted to have that look where I wake up, my eyebrows done, my lashes done, my hair done, my teeth look good, my body look good, and I could just be like throwing the wig and be ready to hit the streets, baby. So yeah, shout out to Brows by Ann. I got it done at Tara's nail and brow salon on Chester Bridge, and I want to say Buckhead, Atlanta. I think that's Buckhead. But they cost $450. I had to put a $50 deposit down and paid $400 when I got there today. But I like them. I'm happy. So stay tuned for more. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Vegan Foodie. Yesterday, I went and got my teeth clean, and I was supposed to do a review, but I just, for the minimum work that they were doing, it wasn't really no reason for me to do a vlog or review or nothing like that. I'm just gonna wait until it's time for me to take these temporaries out and put in my permanents, which these suckers hurt. My mouth still hurt. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And shout out to Blame Taya. Blame Gang. That's what we are. I was at the last shop, and they was like on me about my hair. Like, oh, I love your hair. So I'm going to have her link below. So if y'all want to get a customized unit made, tell her Rain sent you, The Vegan Foodie, and she going to get you together. Anyway, stay tuned for more, because I got some work to do. I'm hungry. I'm taking my son to lunch, and I got work to do with my day trading. Long story. But anyway, stay tuned, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.